Hello, friends, and welcome back to our Soukous and the Gospel guitar series. And today we'll be advancing further. We'll leave focusing on the head of the guitar, and today we'll focus on this part of the guitar, playing the right hand for those who are right-handed, or playing the left hand for those who are left-handed. But basically, this is the part of the guitar we are going to focus on, which is in essence the true engine of Soukous and the true engine of gospel music, because this is where the speed is being controlled. The speed of music is controlled from this part, how we play this part, and not this part. So it's not how fast we move here that the music is fast. It is how fast we move here that makes it fast. So if you are just joining us, please do go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button. Want to introduce these three picking styles here. One, we have the finger picking. Finger picking. This finger picking is a situation where we use basically the finger to pick. We use the fingers to pick. And here, we use the thumb to control the bass. We use the thumb to control the bass, and then use finger 1 here on string 3, string 2, the finger 2 here, and then the finger 3 here. In finger picking, we do not use the pinky. Most time it rests here. For our full lesson on this, we have a full lesson on this. This is not our main focus for this class, but just for a quick mention, this is how the finger picking goes. The thumb, this is basically how the finger picking goes. Then the second aspect of picking is we use the pick. And here it is called the flat picking. Flat picking, we still play the same thing. You can notice something. When you are using the pick, the sound is a bit sharper. It's sharper than using the finger. Using the finger is calm, yes. Here is sharper. So this is the second thing we use. We can use the finger, we can use the pick, or the third system of picking is a combination of the pick and the finger. That system is called the hybrid picking, because we are hybriding the pick and the fingers. So just like the hybrid crops, hybrided crops and things like that. So it's the fusion of two things. So the pick and the finger. Here, we basically hold the pick this way, and you strike the bass, and then you complete, because now you are already using two fingers to hold your pick. You are left with just the three fingers. So here, the three fingers are used for picking. Sorry. So basically, we have the finger, as we said, we have the pick, and we have the hybrid, where we combine the pick and the finger to play our music. The three are all used in playing our gospel music and in playing our Soukous line. In playing Soukous and our gospel line, the rhythm is generally quick, very fast, but the hand styles or the hand movement always stays very calm. You can see that we are actually playing a lot of things, but the hand seems to be just like it is not even moving. Unless you watch very well, you may not even notice that the hand is moving. There is no exaggeration here. What normally exaggerates is here, but actually it is what happens here that controls the speed of Soukous. It is not what happens here. It is what happens here. So you can see. So this is our focus for this lesson, to see how to do as less movement as possible this side, but with the fastest speed as possible. So stay calm, stay recollected, and do not forget to subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you.